Hey, Dr. Ray, as we're talking about mindfulness, I know you've had a lot going on yourself. So I think one of my main questions would be, how have you practiced mindfulness lately during this latest season of your life as you've been fighting sickness and health?
Yeah, hey Alex, I really appreciate the question. How have I handled mindfulness while I'm dealing with a vicious autoimmune disorder here? Well, I've done a really good job in general of staying completely out of fear and negativity. That's the key. You know, what a lot of people don't realize unless they've been through something particularly nasty and vicious is often you're not going to be able to generate positive energy, but you can, if you train your mind, stay out of fear and stay out of negativity. You know, I'm 9,000 hours into meditative states. I've been practicing mindfulness for decades. I simply refuse to allow my mind to go there. And if it does go there, it's not going to stay there because I'm going to bring it back to the present moment by breathing, observing, and or communicating. So in other words, I'm living what I teach.